Wait for your number. Go, let's go, go, go. 0, 0, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Help in the middle, help in the middle. Somebody, somebody.
Left.
Easy, Gately. We know you're crippled already. We don't want you to get hurt. 1:15 down, 3:45 left to go. It is Sullivan, our early race leader. Rodney Angelito in second. Candyland running third. Lyle Spengler in fourth. Art Crashatelli in fifth. Doug Fleming 6th, Vinny Manzo 7th, Jamal White 8th, Justin Carmody is 9th, and Les Burke running 10th. TQ is Travis Urkanoff with the 14 lap, 5:16. Right now, Sully on a 13.5 flat pace. Once again, if somebody faster catches you, give them a little bit of room to get by. Once again, you're not racing anybody else on the track, so no need to hold anybody up.
Minutes left.
Uh-oh, what's going on with Sullivan back there? Came to a stop on the track. He is leading the race. So it's Candyland now taking over the lead on a 13.5.10. Uh-oh, that means bragging rights on Waldo. I think Waldo did a 13.5.13, and now Canyon on a 13.5.13 pace, so Waldo. I hope you guys are in the same main and start like nose to tail. It's going to be classic. Same paint job, same car. So Canyon Thompson, our scorekeeper, leading the way. That's the number 4. Lyle Spengler in second. Rodney Angelito third. Art Crashatelli in fourth. Brian Sullivan 5th, Vinny Manzo in 6th, Jamal White 7th, Carmody running 8th, Fleming 9th, and Burke is 10th. 3 minutes down, 2 to go in race number 3. So Spengler now taking over the lead by 0.8 of a second over Canyon. So Spengler over the backside, triples, yellow front end, and second place coming up on Justin Carmody down the straightaway. And Justin letting second place Candy go by. Good job, Les, good job. That's how you get her done. And now coming up on the number 9, that's, there you go, thank you, Lyle, getting by. Looks like the number 9 anyway. More like the number 3 of 1 minute left. Man, it's not a 9 or a 3, it's a 5. That's Jamal, thanks Jamal. And now our leader coming up next in line will be Carmody, but not just yet. And Canyon now coming up on the number 1 of Art Crashatelli with one of the leaders behind him. All right, 30 seconds to go. So Vinny now will have the leader coming up on him next as well. So Canyon and Lyle within 1/10 of a second. That's why I say leader, as in both of them are basically identical. So Canyon and Lyle duking it out. Oh man, Vinny going off the track. And on a 13.509 for the both of them, Canyon and Lyle. I think Canyon should stick with short course because the A scale buggy and truggy is just not working. But he's not too bad in the old short bus. All right, we are running out of time. Keep going, guys. Couple more to finish. Couple more to finish. Waiting for, looks like Sullivan broke down, so we're waiting for one more to finish here. One more to finish. And that is a race. Everybody is done. So it'll be by 2 seconds.